Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to show you a little thing that I make here for saving the foot or the tenon on my bowls. This is a little chunk of plastic. I made it out of a cutting board, cheap cutting board. Cut a hole. That happens to be 65 millimeters, whatever that is in inches, and that just barely fits into the regular jaws on my what it's called G3 Technotool chuck. Yours may be different, whatever. Anyways, I cut a blank out of that and then I turn it on the lathe and I make this little ring. The ring has a little slice in it there. So this now fits over the tenon of the bowl. That gets grabbed by the chuck and you don't mess up the tenon or the foot of your bowl. If you have a vacuum chuck like I do, of course you can grab this with your chuck and then when you're done, you turn it around, stick it on the vacuum chuck and you can clean that up. It's an extra step. But on some bowls, like if you had a big bowl like, hang on a second, a big bowl like this one here, I don't think I'd want to be trusting a little piece of plastic on that. So with a smaller bowl, it works really well. I was originally taught this technique by Eli Evasara from Israel, and he was using it in the small little tiny square round bowls that he makes that I love to make too. And this just really works well for a smaller bowl. It saves you a step, but also, like I was saying, if you don't have a vacuum chuck, this is an easy way that you can stick this on the lathe, turn this side, the back side of the bowl, turn the tenon, stick this on here, turn it around, grab it with your chuck, finish turning this, sand it and everything else, and then when it comes off, you don't got to fix this because it's already done. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. It's not very long, probably almost half as long as what I'm talking here. And I just thought I'd bring that along today. As I was doing it, I thought, hey, I should show that. That's a neat little technique. Anyways, I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope you're all washing your hands and wearing your mask when you go outside. And I hope you're getting outside, doing something, getting off the sofa. Just make it a great day. Anyways, everybody, take care. Enjoy the video. Thanks. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.